So now we already discussed all about the loudness. Loudness, it is the property which is also depend on the intensity. Intensity is affected to the amplitude. So what is intensity? Intensity, it is the amount of energy of medium particles. It is the amount of energy of medium particles through which passes through normally in unit area for a second. In a unit second, you may also say. So intensity you may define, that is energy of a medium particle in a unit area in a which the energy which passes through. Just consider there is a sound wave. We know that the sound has come. Sound wave having a sound is a source of energy. Yeah, it is a form of energy. So in the when the sound is comes in the form of energy in a unit area, if we take a area is unit for a unit second, t is equal to 1 second, whatever the amount of energy is passes, is termed as intensity. So intensity is the amount of energy in a unit area in unit time. So if we place area is 1 and time for 1 second, then the intensity will be amount of energy, that is intensity. And what is the unit will, so SI unit of energy will be joule. Energy, that is joule. Area, that is meter square. T for second, so joule per meter square per second. That joule per second per meter square is also we can written joule per second, that is watt per meter square. Watt per meter square. Generally we take a SI unit of intensity. SI unit of intensity, that is watt per meter square. If this energy is large, if this amount of energy, if the energy of, that is intensity, is large, then the medium particle vibrating with more amplitude, with amplitude will be high. So amplitude will be high, then the loudness will also high, and the intensity will less, that means energy is low of the medium particle. Then the amplitude, this is here A is amplitude I am taking, and amplitude will also become less, then the loudness will also less. That means weak sound is produced, and that is louder sound. That is loud sound, and that is weak sound. Shows the weak sound and loud sound.